Hello everyone. So, ito yung naging trade ko for August 14, 2026. So, nag-start ito ng Asia session, nagtapos ng around 7:45 p.m. sa Philippine time. Actually, hindi, around 8. Yan. Okay, ito yung naging profits ko. Meron ulit isang bagong napasang account sa Funded Futures family. And then, dalawang funded account here. Itong dalawa, funded accounts din. So, ayun, profit tayo for today. Nabawi lahat ng losses from Tuesday and Wednesday. Ayan. So, trade breakdown muna tayo for this trade. Ayan. So, una, nag-start ako for our daily time frame. Here, tinitingnan ko ang bullish ng market. Though we are expecting the Friday na mag-retrace pababa, which is happening right now, ito, sa current price action niya. Pero in-expect ko na during early session ng day, magiging bullish pa rin siya. Why? Ayan, sa 4 hours natin, here. So, para sa trade na to, nagkaroon tayo ng SMT with S&P 500 here, or ES. Yan. Okay. Tapos, sa 1 hour, nag-confirm actually yung OB dyan. Here. Ito, yung OB here. And then, nung nagtitrade ako sa 15 minutes here, ito, yan. Nag-measure ako ng standard deviation projection from this high to this low. And then, nasa reversal area tayo, which is negative 2 to 2.5. Now, hinintay ko yung second inversion, which is a valid inversion here, na mag-confirm. Pero, pagkaangat ng price, pag-confirm niya, bumaba, umangat ulit, bumaba, namuntikan ako ma-SL. But, hold pa rin yung OB natin here. So, ayun, nag-continue pa rin yung price to go up. And then, tinarget yung buy side liquidity natin dito. Okay? So, it is 2R. Ayan. And then, ayan, nag-profit tayo sa mga funded accounts for this trade. By the way, meron tayong free community here sa tradesbymark.com. Punta ka lang dyan, ma-redirect ka sa natin sa TG. And then, meron tayong free course dyan. Libre lang yon. And also, meron tayong weekly webinar. Join kayo. Actually, more of a, halos laging Wednesday. But if you're connected doon sa channel natin, nag-a-announce ako lagi doon. Ayan. I hope nag-learn ka sa trade breakdown na to. And let me know if may natutunan ka sa comment section. Ayun lang. If meron kayong questions, set lang kayo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.